pick up the pieces and throw them away, and then you make plans to start over.
Oh my, so much has changed as a result of it. I think it built bonds between people. It just strengthened relationships. I know it strengthened my faith. If God could take us through that situation and bring us out on the other side of it and have things be better than it was before, how could I not trust Him with anything else that I have to be concerned about?
I think that we are doing very well as a community, but I think that it takes its toll that I don't know that she'll ever quite get over.
What matters is we keep working together and being neighbors to each other and being community as we continue a growth process.
We're determined and committed to rebuilding this town. It won't be easy, but I know that we'll be an adventure worthy of our investment.
We're not working to build this for something that we may enjoy. It's like the trees we've planted in the yard. We may never live to enjoy the shade of those, but we plant them for the future, for our grandchildren and our great-grandchildren that will hopefully carry on the life and the vision and the wonderful family-oriented community that this is.